Hey everybody, this is Jason, and this right here is $120 in quarters. So I figured that I pay about $120 to $140 per year in laundry because our laundry machine is small. Sometimes we have to put big things like comforters in the laundry machine. Number one, I'm sick of going to the bank every other month to get more quarters, waiting in line, just a little bit of a hassle. And number two, I don't want to pay that per year. Do you? So here's the trick to get your laundry covered for free. You take out a credit card that has a $100 to $200 reward, whatever it costs to do your laundry or the thing you want for free, and you spend, it's like $1,000 bonus once you hit the bonus, so you spend $800, $900, and the last leg of that you use as a cash advance to take out the $120, $140, and there you go. Redeem the reward, and the laundry for the whole year is covered. Free laundry for a year. You guys, this is Jason. These are fun little tips to save you guys some money. It's not your absolute guide to financial freedom. You're not set for life. However, it's a few little goodies that you get for free, and those little things add up. You guys stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that, and we'll see you on the next video.